Hey friends, this is Atif Opiorval and welcome to the new update on Aevo. The opening price of Aevo on 13th of March 2024 was $1. You can, by the way, watch the opening price here. And that price was $1. After that, it pumped up to $3.50. Then we had another spike here and we got two rejections here. If I place a trend line here at this rejection point, because we have two touch points here, this level is at $3.38. And you can see that when we had this big drop and during this move, the price and also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And after breaking out this triangle, the price then found another resistance here at $3.94. And then you can see that after this rejection, the price then has found its support here at $3.38. That was previously breaking as a resistance. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And this is almost fourth day that the price is getting accumulated at this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Aevo that I shared a few days ago on 15th of March 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now, let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Aevo that I shared on 15th of March 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that Aevo formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone, and the stop loss was below $2.88. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And by the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Aevo. And you can see that it was the opening price of Aevo was at $1. Then it pumped up to $3.50. And now so far it has pumped up to $3.94. And this was, by the way, from opening price up till here, almost 294% pump. And during this move, you can see that the price then also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And you can see that we got several ejections, and we also have several touch points at the support as well. And by the way, we found the support here on 19th of March 2024. In fact, here. And then we had a nice bounce after a few touch points. We had a nice bounce, rejected. Then we had another bounce here, and finally we broke out the resistance of the triangle. And after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. In fact, it also tested this uptrend line support of the triangle as well and geared up. And now you can see that during this rally, first it broke out this resistance of $2.60 that was previously breaking as a support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And now it can again work as a support in case the price then drops down there. And after that, we found another resistance here at $3 that was previously breaking as a resistance here for several days. And here as well. And after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of $3 as a support and geared up and broke out the next resistance of $3.38 that we found here. And now you can see that this $3.38 is working as a support for the price line of Aevo. And this is another point of rejection that is at $3.94. And if the price then moves up, then this level can again work as a strong resistance, like we found resistance here after this pump. And over here, we can expect another resistance. And therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance level. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this triangle, then the expected target after the breakout was here. That was at $3.74. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target. And now it is getting accumulated at this previous resistance of $3.38 that is now working as a support. And now this uptrend line support, you can see, of this triangle can work as a long-term support for this rally. And if the price and breaks it down, that can be a bit critical. However, at the moment, the price and is moving quite higher than this uptrend line support. However, this is the structure for this rally or bull run of Aevo. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support. And you can see that with the passage of time, this support will be moving up. And this is possible that somewhere here, the price and during this rally may also test the support before the next move to the upside. So far, so good. The price and did not break down the support of $3.38, getting accumulated here. And now there is a probability that soon it may try to break out this resistance of $3.94. And in case of breaking out this resistance of $3.94, this previous resistance will be flipped into a nice support. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.